Hi guys, good afternoon. Ito na guys, tapos na tayo guys ang nagagawa nating closet guys sa master bedroom. Ito na guys, so turnover na to guys. Ito guys, turnover na. Ito guys, hangiran to sa mahabang damit to guys, pambabae. Yan. Yan guys, tapos na pala turnover na to guys. Yan guys, mirror na yan guys, oh. Tapos mayroon pa tayo guys ng dalawang vanity. Ito yung dito guys, vanity ng master. Ayan guys, vanity ng master guys. Yan. Tapos mayroon pa tayong vanity guys doon sa common area. Yan guys, pupuntahan pa natin guys. Yan, punta na tayo doon guys, common area. Ito na guys, yung sa common area guys. Yan, common vanity guys. Yan. Thank you guys. Bye bye guys.